In almost every job you do today, you're going to need technology. Today we're going to have a quick chat about the benefits and drawbacks of using technologies in companies. So, go back 50 years ago, and cars and most things were built almost entirely by people. People were required to do everything from engine installation and maintenance, creating parts, cleaning, polishing when it's finished. This was expensive because people cost money, and if someone's off sick or away for a day, this will delay production or possibly quality instead, and development suffers from human frailties, i.e. workers being sick, tired, or drinking too much. So, this caused problems. Now, the advantage of using humans, though, was that A, the technology wasn't ready then, and B, very minimal training and investment compared to robots. Then, fast forwards 50 years, and this is a car factory today. As you may be able to see, there are no humans at all in this image. The cars are built entirely by robots. Now, robots will build the cars quickly, they will efficiently, they will to the same high standards, and they can work 24 hours a day and night, which is brilliant. There's also no danger of being tired or feeling sick. So, robots came in and transformed heavy industry. So, that is their strong point. Now, for the last 200 years, it has always been true that technology replaces humans. In 30 years' time, they say that half the jobs today won't exist. But equally, if you go back in time for 30 years, half of the jobs then do not exist today. So, in the long term, this may cause a problem. In the short term, however, it can cause lots of problems, ranging from unemployment and widespread out of work to social issues and other problems associated with unemployment. Now, when companies automate a factory, they always ask a simple question: what is the bottom line? Where will we make or lose money on this? Now, automation in itself is expensive. You have to pay for the hardware, not to mention the software, the installation, the training, and the costs of removing your current workforce and paying redundancy payments and the like. In the long term, though, you will save money because computers can work 24 hours a day and they don't need heat, electricity, light, or any other issues that humans incur. Now, this is good if you are going to make a product which will have huge ongoing sales. So say you had a car which you intend to sell 50,000 of, then building an automatic production line would probably make some sense. If you're going to build a car, though, which you can only sell 50 of, then making a huge automatic production line is probably not going to be worth your while. So how much you're going to sell is a major issue here. The advantage, though, of using robots is that humans do have issues. So they need breaks, they need meals, they need eating, and of course, sleep. So humans are not that efficient. So, to summarise, automation can produce more at a higher speed and to a higher quality. It can work for longer, and its running costs are massively reduced. But the startup costs are going to be higher. So, they are the pros and cons of automating your production line. Thank you for listening, and best of British luck.